How to replace butt springs on the upright piano or player piano. You first have to remove the board that holds the spring, which is this thing here, and it's inserted inside here. Once you have it out, you flip it over carefully not to break the springs, and you have to scrape off. There's a leather a felt which is glued on it. Once that is off, I don't know if you can see, there are little slots in which the springs are pressed in there. So what you have to do is take a pick or something and lift them out. You just pry them up till they're about straight up. Once that is done, then you can easily remove them from there, from the other side. Now, to put them back in, you go the reverse process, is that you take the spring and you insert the spring into the hole which was left by the other spring, like so, and then you flip the board over so it will rest against a flat surface, like so. And while you're holding the spring, I don't know if you try to focus, you can see the end there that is sticking out. What you do is you take a screwdriver and bend it down till it locks inside the little slot. Naturally, before you do that, I made myself using an old hacksaw blade, like a little hook that's exactly the diameter of the slots, in order to clean them out before you press it in. So I don't know, I'll put the camera aside, I don't know if it'll pick up the process. You just have to line it up straight, rest it, and where's my screwdriver? And then you flip the end down like so, and take the blade, naturally if you shake it, and you just press, and there you are, it's stuck in there. And once all of them are done, you re-glue the felt over it and you're done. Then you reinstall it inside. And there's one thing I made, is a little, that's a coffee stirrer, little piece of wood. I made some little slots there, one on that side this way, and the other one is like that, and that goes great to when you want to rehook the springs. You can hold them and shift them about using the little hook, because inside, once they're inside the strikers, the piano action itself, they're quite awkward to get at. And one note, before removing the butt spring board, I do suggest that you unhook all of them off of their resting position. It'll be a lot easier to remove the board, and when you set it in, you just reinstall it with the springs right next to where they go, so it'll be easier to get back in, because if you try setting them in place, there's a lot of tension on it and you won't be able to re-screw it straight in place.